Hey, welcome back to Twin Cities Live. Summertime is the perfect time to enjoy an iced coffee. Boy, do I love an iced coffee in the afternoon.
Same.
It is
year-round, I'll do it.
Glorious thing. I'm totally with you. You might think, though, that the only way to get cold brew is to stop by a coffee shop or you buy something at the grocery store that's pre-made.
But turns out you can make cold brew at home really easily. And it's even better when you use Willows coffee beans that are grown in Costa Rica but have a deep connection to Minnesota.
I'm at my favorite coffee shop, which is not an actual coffee shop. It's Viviana's house. Hi, Viviana.
Hello, so nice to have you back.
Oh, I love being back, and I love talking about cold brew because I think a cold brew coffee in the afternoon is one of my greatest joys in life. This is a method here for making cold brew. I think some people think you either have to buy it in a jar at the store or you have to get it at a coffee shop. Not true, you can do it at home.
You could do it at home, and I'm going to try to teach a different method. I think a lot of people do have at home, actually, the mason jar.
For sure.
So this one I got it on Amazon. I already have like halfway of the water.
Okay.
I'm going to put this filter. What I like about this one is that it's reusable.
Oh, cool.
So we're going to put it in.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. What a fun setup.
I have here 2 cups of coffee.
Yeah.
So one of the dark, one of the light.
Look at this. Can you see this? The dark is not so dark that it looks like it's just burnt popcorn kernels.
Or oily or anything like that. So what we're trying to get is all the coffee grounds in here.
Okay, so you're going to kind of pack it in there a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. And since I already have the water, then it just like starts getting wet in the bottom.
Okay, but this isn't going to be like, Viviana, you're not going to make your morning cup of coffee by making cold brew, because this is going to take a while.
This is going to take a while. We have one that is ready over here that it has already been brewing for 24 hours.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. And then we're going to put some water to get all the way through this line over here, and that will make all the coffee grounds get really wet.
Okay, so this is a smart technique. You've already got some water in there, and then you're going to pour it in.
And then we're going to go in, and we will see how it's going to start.
Oh my gosh.
Brewing already. We are ready, and this one will go for 24 hours in the refrigerator.
Yeah, and you don't have to buy the pre-made, cold brew.
You know how much money this would save you?
Yes. It's a
lot.
And a cold brew coffee at a coffee shop. God love the coffee shops. But the problem is, do you ever feel like you just get a whole bunch of ice and like a little bit of cold brew? And I was like, that was $4.
Easily.
So we're going to serve that in a second, but I've got to ask you what's happening on the farm because, of course, we love Willows Coffee because this is all of the coffee comes from Viviana's family farm in Costa Rica, and it is so beautiful. So we want to know, like, what's your family up to?
Well, right now in Costa Rica is rainy season, so it's the best time to plant. So we renovate 1/3 of the farm every single year.
Really?
And that means other plants are old, or we find that another variety, it's giving us a better cup of coffee even, like it tastes better. So we need to wait 3 years until those new plants will start having the best beans to start picking them.
No way.
Yes.
This is why I always say no one works harder than a farmer. And everything you
it's true.
consume is thanks to a farmer. And it is so cool, Viviana, to have that connection to you and that connection to your family. It just makes that cup of coffee, which just tastes amazing even if you don't know the backstory, but once you know it, it makes it that much better. And I think, coffee is often enjoyed with family at your home, and you have a family member here to make your cold brew even better today. You want to bring in your special guest?
Yes, I have my mom visiting. I have had the pleasure to having her for a month now, so she has helped with so many things, and she came up with an amazing recipe. By the way, my mom's name is Patricia.
Hi, Patricia.
Everybody calls her Patty.
Oh my gosh, Patty, this is like the jeans here are amazing. Like you guys are just supermodels. This is fabulous.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here.
Patty, let's talk about this creamer because you have my favorite thing growing in the garden right now.
Oh, yeah.
So much mint.
Mint. We're going to do a mint mojito, a cold brew coffee. We have some leaves here already cut up and some raw sugar or brown sugar. You can do either. Then you use the muddle.
So if you have one of these for cocktails, it's essentially the same thing.
I have 2 cups of creamer.
Okay.
You can use anything.
And the mint and sugar are already in there?
Yeah.
Yes.
They're already in here.
This is so great. Yeah. Tell me what's happening in here. Oh, this is so good.
So because I don't want my cold brew to get diluted,
Right.
what we did was we did ice of cold brew.
Yes! My biggest complaint about a coffee shop totally solved here. The coffee shop always gives you a giant cup of ice, a little bit of cold brew. This is ice made of cold brew.
Exactly.
With more cold brew on top. You know what would make this cold brew better? More cold brew. Let's see. Okay, yes.
Okay. So we have our mojito cold brews ready.
Cheers.
For a
Cheers.
great summer for everybody.
And great
Enjoy
coffee.
Summer.
Oh my gosh,
Thank
you guys are the sweetest. Okay, I got to meet Viviana's mom, who's like a total
And
knockout.
she's
I'm like, what is this?
adorable,
Are only
beautiful.
supermodels allowed in this family? Like, what's happening here? Is that how the whole world of Costa Rica is? Everyone's a
That's what
coffee
it
growing
is.
supermodel?
Yes.
They were
That's what I've heard.
wonderful. You have to make that cold brew recipe and then make that creamer.
And
It's so good.
It looked so delicious, and I'm really into that ice cube.
Right?
So I'm just.
I know.
sold.
Be careful when you put those in your wine glasses because they're heavy. they could be used as a projectile. Those recipes, though, are on TwinCitiesLive.com. And then starting at 4:30 today, you can get a great deal. Carly, you're going to want to order this. You can get 4 12-ounce bags of Willows Coffee. That includes 2 medium roast and 2 dark roast. They're all ground, and that's $54 for those 4 bags. Shipping is free. That is half off the regular price. It's going to sell out. So if you miss
That's
out on
worth
that
it,
deal, you can also get 20% off at willowscoffee.com. But go to TwinCitiesLive.com, click on .com deals. We've got all the details there, and then you can purchase.
I'm going to be spending a lot of time on your guys' website with all this.
Jason's
all this
going to be
stuff.
like, why is TwinCitiesLive.com the homepage on every device now?